So the main importance of adversity quotient is that this is the only quotient that pushes you or motivates you to survive and to put all your intelligence, your emotions, and your creativity into action. Because without action, there is nothing. So there are two types of actions. One is a mental action, which comes with a thought or a plan, and one is a physical action. So without these two actions, I don't think one can really, put uh, put the plan into perspective and to actualization. So I don't think that without actually working on the plan and actually taking it through, one would be able to do anything as simple a task as making tea. You may think, you may have all the intelligence to make it, you may have all the empathy, all the feeling to make it, you may have all the creativity of making tea in your own special way, but unless you get up and either give instruction or actually make it yourself, all that creativity, intelligence and emotions will not take off. So adversity quotient is absolute must first to put a call to action. That is number one. Number two, it is extremely important to build on it, because problems in life, whether financial, emotional, physical, social, they will never come to an end. You will always face challenges. You will always be in a situation where you have some challenge or the other. And how quickly does a person bounce back? I'm sure there's not a single human being on the face of this earth who doesn't want to bounce back from his problems. The only struggle comes when the other person does not know how. So in this adversity quotient, that is what we plan, and we make sure, case to case, individual to individual, how does it work for the other person and how do we build it. Of course, there are some ground rules, there are some step-by-steps. There is a different way to approach children, different way to approach teenagers, different way to approach young adults and couples, corporates, all of that. There's a different module for everyone. But the importance of adversity quotient is because at every point in time, you will have some challenge or the other, and to make sure that it doesn't bog you down to or weigh you down to such an extent that you don't know how to come out of it, even though you are blessed with other quotients and other capabilities. So you may be the wisest man or woman on this earth, but if you don't know how to put it into perspective and into action, I don't think it's going to help. So adversity quotient is far superior than any other quotient today in this world, and that is why it's one of the latest studies. And like I said, it was formed in 1996 and pretty recent, and that is why it is most important that everybody today must learn and find that hidden adversity quotient in them and build on it. That is the best way I could explain it, that it is absolutely imperative right from the child level to the senior citizens as well. It covers the whole gamut. So it is extremely important for each one of us to raise the bar of adversity quotient, because that is what is going to make us survive in this world.